A weird and wacky idea, but it seems to have worked. A German car design considered the Raindrop to be the ultimate shape when it came to streamlining. It had the least resistance to wind. The result was a new design of a car body that made its appearance at a 1922 Berlin Motor Show. Seats were arranged in single file down the centre of the car, with the driver in front and two passengers behind. The engine was at the back over the rear axle. The car was said to be capable of speeds of up to 75 miles per hour.